Hi, welcome to our reading phonics and letters and sounds class. Okay, do you know what day it is today? Today is Friday, that's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday, that's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. That is right. And what month are we in? January. That's right. January is the first month of the year. Awesome. Let's read the date together. Here we go. Today is Friday, January 15th, 2021. Now I have a little question for you. How many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? That's right, 26. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. That's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. That's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. That's right. Okay, are you ready to go to the farm with me? Here we go. Get up, everybody. Stand up. We're going to sing. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a pluck, pluck here and a pluck, pluck there. Here, pluck, there, pluck, everywhere, pluck, pluck. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here, quack, there, quack, everywhere, quack, quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. With an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here, neigh-neigh, neigh, everywhere, neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a truck. With a rattle here and a rattle there. Here a rattle, there a rattle, everywhere a rattle. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Super! You guys are amazing. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. We're going to do our blends. Here's Berry Bear. Say hi, Berry Bear. Yeah, let me take my hat off. All right, here we go. Are you ready to read them with me? Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Super! Here's Kathy Cat. Are you ready? Ka, ka, ki, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ki, ka, ka. Super! Daddy Dog! Da, da, di, da, da. Da, da, di, da, Da. Freddie Fox. Fa, fe, fi, fa, fa. Fa, fa, fi, fe, fa. Gary Goat. Ga, ga, gi, ga, ga. Ga, ga, gi, ga, ga. Yippee! You did them all. We did 5 different blends today. Oh, righty. Now, remember when we put 2 or more letters together, they can have a special sound. So this is a special sound. It's your first special sound that you're learning. Okay? So when we put the C and the K together, it makes a sound k, k. Can you say that? K. As in duck. As you learn to read more and more, and as you practice, you'll be able just to know that this word says duck. You'll learn to read faster and faster and understand what you're reading. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Okay? So this is a special sound. K. Duck. K. Duck. Good. Now, I also want you to remember that when there's a word that has 2 consonants that are the same, at the end of the word, we only have to say the sound 1 time. Okay, so I want us to practice these words. Can you read these words with me? I already marked the vowels, and I put a red line under the 2 consonants that are the same. Here we go. Let's start with these. We're going to read from top to bottom. Are you ready to read with me? Here we go. Bell, bell, pill, doll. Good job. Should we do it one more time? Read it with me. Bell, pill, doll. Did you notice that we only said the sound at the end 1 time? Super. Let's do the next one. Fuss, fuss, less, less, and hiss. S. A snake goes hisses. S. Okay, so you see there's 2 S's at the end, 2 consonants that are the same, and we only say the sound once. Okay, let's review these ones. This has 2 F's, 2 consonants that are the same, so we only say the sound once. Jeff, Jeff. Cuff, cuff, and puff. You see it? Puff. Super! You guys are amazing readers. Now, do you guys know that you're learning how to spell as well? Reading and spelling in your book? Your letters and sounds book. Okay, so let's practice spelling some words and then we can read them. You guys are just amazing. So here we have 2 consonants and we have to decide which vowel makes the word. Okay? It, sit, sit. Sit. Is sit a word? I think so. What about sut? Nope, not spelled like that. Okay, so let's circle the letter I, which is a vowel. And we're going to write it right here, and I'm going to mark it with a happy face because it's a short sound, and we're going to read the word. Sit. Sit. Good. Next one. Ha-egg. Heg. Heg. Is heg a word? No. What about ha-a-g? Hug. Is hug a word? Yes. I want to give you a hug. Good. So we're going to circle the letter U, which is a vowel, and we're going to write it right here. Can you see? And we're going to mark it with a happy face, and let's read it. Can you read it with me? Hug. Hug. Super. Okay, last one. Ran. Ran. I ran and ran. Is ran a word? Yes. What about ran? Rin. Nope, Rin is not a word. So we're going to circle the vowel A. And we're going to write it right here. Can you see? Let me give it a little happy face because it's a short sound. Let's read the word. Ran. Ran. You guys are just amazing. Now, are you ready? Let's get our letters and sounds book out. And it says here, letters and sounds, pages 70 and 71. You guys are making great progress. Look, here's a little birdhouse. I saw a video of Anna Sophia the other day talking about a birdhouse. It was very interesting. So we're going to make a birdhouse here. Look, there's the bird. They're at the top. Yeah, and he has a little bauble or ornament in his beak. So there's page 70 right there. You see it? Good. Okay. Now let's read the instructions. It says, draw lines to connect the dots with the short ah sound. Only the words that have the short ah sound, not the long sound, okay? Only the short a sound. Look for the next closest word, closest ah, the A, the short A word, each time. Color the picture, okay? So you have to look very carefully, find all the words. So you're going to start right here. What does this word say? Cat. Cat, that's a short A word. And then we're going to go up here to the next word. It also has a short A. It says ham. Ham. Then you have to find the next one, okay? The closest one with the short A sound. Make sure to color the picture. Okay, now let's go to page 71. 71. Make sure to write your name up here at the top. And parents, please put the date. And make sure to stay inside the lines. Don't go out of the lines, and make sure your words are nice and straight and neat. Okay, number 1 says, circle the letter that completes each word like we just did on the whiteboard, okay? You know how to do this. Number 2 says match. So you need to match the picture right here with the word. I'll tell you the words, and then you find I'll tell you the words of the picture, and then you find the word written, okay? This is hand, 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 tent, tent, tent. Super. Pond. The ducks can swim in the pond. Pond. Good. Match them. That means draw a line from one to the next. You know how to do it. Number 3, write the blend your teacher says. Okay, you guys are going to start writing blend, so you need to listen, and you have to write what the blend that I am going to tell you right now. Are you ready? Are you listening? You got your pencil? Here we go. The first blend I want you to write has to do with berry bear. Okay, here we go. Ba, ba, ba. Did you write the blend? Ba. Good. Number 2, I want you to write the blend. Be, be, be. Super. And the third blend is bi, bi, bi. You got it. All right, that's our class for today. You guys did great. I'll see you next week. Bye.